Good day, everyone. It is my pleasure and my honor to participate in this international conference of community development held by 5 universities in Jakarta. On behalf of Binus University, I'm Retno Dewanti. Say thanks for opportunity presentation today. Let me share my presentation and hopefully have audience see my presentation already. Let's start our discuss about e-learning. My title is An Acceptance Models of Behavioral Intention on E-Learning. The background of volunteering on community service is composed of many reasons that are, in first, my past research show that the model of e-learning as needed basis. In second, we are facing the global crisis on many sectors depends of COVID-19 pandemic. That's why we need focuses on e-learning. In third, we need entrance inequalities in education back, even though we detected e-learning ecosystem having lack on many ways of education. In example, 50% lack computer and internet access. So we found learning disrupted on skill and policy dialogue. In fourth, we work in education and having responsibility to empower society to be stronger. So let me see the important things of human right education and transformative method to accelerate sustainable development and resilient recovery. The data show that Indonesia has great opportunities for the e-learning market and also the large mobile learning buyers. Indonesia is the top 10 e-learning growth rate, top 10 e-learning market by revenue, and top 5 buyers of mobile learning. The result of a survey conducted by FG in 2016 show the largest internet user penetration in Indonesia is held by college students in number 89.7%, which means that there are quite a lot of internet users in Indonesia who care about education. The largest internet users are on the island of Java by 65%, of course, including DKI Jakarta. Therefore, my past research was conducted to observe the behavior intention in e-learning in Jakarta. In the world of e-learning, the closest things to a social network is a community of practice articulated and promoted by Wenger's theory in 1990. According to Wenger, a community of practice is characterized by a shared domain of interest where members interact and learn together and develop a shared repertoire of resources. Wayuningsi and Makmur in 2017 explained that e-learning divided on two types. There are synchronous as a real-time communication, while asynchronous as delayed time communication. For the most part of our community development in online learning were artificial and often contrived discussions supported by Zoom tools. These public communities were typically limited to a given group of learners, such as a university class, had a fixed start and end point, and was substantially better than nothing in pandemic era. In our presentation goals, ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. Remote learning for public, improving study through internet access, and reopen classroom on digital learning, implementation of prototype as a research output. Take a look, many pictures show that the community service having good progress by Binus University, even though we have limitation of social distance in pandemic era. As educators, we began to notice something different happening through Google Classroom, Teams, Zoom tools, and so on. All of a sudden, instead of discussing reassigned topics with their classmates, Then public found themselves discussing a wide range of topics with peers worldwide. Educators have also taken an interest in behavioral intention on e-learning. Our study have discussed about which one best model to implement in the community development based on PLE model, PBL study, UT theory, TPB theory, and TEM extension theory. The variables used are based on the personal learning environment model from Behavioural et al. 2015, virtual-based learning theory as a study by Nikolaev et al. In 2016, UT, Unified Theory of Acceptance and Use of Technology, Theory of Planned Behavior, and TEM extension. TEM is Technology of Acceptance Model. Then the variables studied are as follows: influences of satisfaction, self-efficacy, performance expectancy, effort expectancy, social influence, perceived usefulness, perceived ease of use, perceived behavioral control, attitude toward the behavioral intention of e-learning users in Jakarta. The statistic output showing us that leading factor more than 0.7 means all of indicators are valid. The conclusion shows us satisfaction has a significant influence to behavioral intention. Effort expectancy has a significant influence to behavioral intention. Social influence has a significant influence to behavioral intention. And attitude has a significant influence to behavioral intention. In acceptance model, show that we need grounded theory support by TEM theory, UT theory, TPB theory. E-learning behavior should be improved by capability, self-motivation, and technology usage. So we have recommendation on e-learning must be considered effort expectancy, social influence, satisfaction, and attitude. Finally, that is my community development presentation. Thank you for your attention. Stay healthy, stay safely. Thank you.